Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Monday, November 16, 2020. Miss Packard did a flip, as you'll see in the fun time-lapse clip that accompanies this one. We've got her upside down. It's quite clear this is a west system bottom. As I get a little far forward, I'll show you how we know for sure that it's a west system bottom. And to give you some idea of the kind of torque on this prop shaft, when's the last time you saw a boat with double struts? The bottom, which is west system, is in good shape. Few places where it's been sitting on an unfriendly bunk, but we'll have Loadmaster Trailers Limited in Port Clinton, Ohio, build us a new trailer for her. Clearly the west system has failed right here. But for the most part, this is the kind of issue we get when we get a boat with a west system bottom. West system is basically glass, and when it flexes, it cracks. And when it cracks, it allows water to penetrate. So we've got a series of cracks here. We've got another one here, but then up. This is just behind. This is just, it's hard to tell on this boat because the helm station's clear at the back end. But we're about 2/3, 3/4 the way forward, and this one's quite open. What we'll do here, after we've sanded this whole surface with 40 grit to get some teeth, get all this gloss gone, we will take a router, open this up so that's good and wide open. We will attach, add some additional silicone bronze wood screws to hold it in place then, after we have filled the seam with total boat Thixo Flex. We've got the same issue right here. This looks like somebody made a failed attempt at addressing this issue. We'll do it properly. And up here where over time, I don't know whether it's sitting on trailers, it's really hard to tell, but you can see just how thick this layer is and how much of it has abraded away. Here we are on the port side. And this is our biggest challenge, and you can see, I think you can see, the screw heads, not the new ones that we put in provisionally before we rolled her, but the ones that have been in there forever. This is actually a plank, 2 planks, and this seam has opened up over the years. So we have a bit of a challenge there. And we have this through hole to try to puzzle through. Anybody have any ideas what could have stuck through there? Maybe some sort of a speedometer, I'm not sure what. But once we begin doing an inventory of all her parts. So we've got a series of failed west system seams that we must deal with. And we can see, let's see, right in here, that there is some discoloration of the wood. It's hard to tell if the fault there is the west system or just that the fasteners released a little bit over time. Gives you some idea of the kind of weight we're dealing with. These two skids are aluminum, and they're right in line with where the main bunks are. So we have her totally stripped. Her top sides, her decks, her transom are all ready to take one, maybe two more passes with 80 grit on a longboard sander to make sure that we've got everything flat. We will, as our next step, will be shooting lines for the boot stripe using one of our lasers and make sure we have that laid out, because it is not scribed on this boat. So, having said that, we'll get to work on our 1992 John Hacker designed, John Ford built, 26-foot gentleman's racer replica, Miss Packard. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.